Welcome to Network Configuration Channel. Fix Arlo camera not syncing to base station. Keep camera closer to base station. The excessive distance between the Arlo camera and the base station is the main reason for the Arlo camera not syncing issue. Bring the camera closer to the base station and then try to sync them using the sync button. If the camera is successfully synced now, then congrats! You can put rest to the troubleshooting process here. Check base station and camera compatibility. Not all Arlo cameras are compatible with all Arlo base stations. This usually happens if you are adding a new camera. If you want to know if your Arlo camera is compatible with your base station, then ask our experts. Charge the Arlo camera batteries. If the Arlo camera is compatible with the base station, then check the camera batteries now. Maybe the batteries are not sufficiently charged, which is why you are experiencing the Arlo camera not syncing problem. If your Arlo camera batteries are running low, then we suggest you charge them first and then try syncing your camera and base station. See if base station is operational. If the syncing could not happen even after sufficiently charging the Arlo camera batteries, then check the base station status. The Arlo base station should be properly installed and operational. It should be already added to the Arlo account before syncing with the camera. To verify if the base station is correctly added, follow the steps given below. Unlock your smartphone and launch the Arlo app. Tap on Settings and then on My Devices. Select Arlo Base Station or Smart Hub to open its settings. Here you will find its status. Using the correct steps to sync the devices. Bring the Arlo camera and base station closer to each other. Press the sync button located on the Arlo camera. The LED will blink blue during the process is going on. Let the Arlo camera and base station sync. Reset Arlo camera. Resetting will restore the factory settings on it. You can reset it by either using the Reset button or Arlo app. Once you're done with this, try syncing your Arlo camera to the base station again. Thanks for watching.